many different ways can you divide this pizza equally among 6 friends? Today, boys and girls, you will learn how to represent fractions in different ways by dividing or partitioning the same whole into equal parts. This word partitioning is the same as saying dividing, okay? But first, let's review. What's a fraction? A fraction is an equal part of a whole. For example, this rectangle right here is partitioned or divided into 3 equal parts. So this is a third, this is a third, and this is a third. 3 thirds make 1 whole rectangle. Other common fractions that we know of are halves and fourths. This triangle right here is divided or partitioned into 2 parts. So this is a half and this is a half. And we can even shade 1 half. 2 parts equals 1 half. Over here we have a fourth, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. This rectangle is partitioned or divided into 4 equal parts. But did you know that there are several ways to divide the same whole into equal parts? Yes, let's take a look. Look at these rectangles here. It can be divided into 4 equal parts 2 different ways. For example, I can draw a line down here, best way I can. Not the best straight line, but I try. So this is a fourth, this is 1/4, this is a fourth, and this is a fourth. It can also, the same rectangle, can be partitioned like this to make 4 equal parts. They're both the same rectangle and they're both divided into 4 parts, but they look different. I can do the same thing with these rectangles here. Let's say I want to partition them into 2 equal parts. I can partition it like this. So this is a half and this is a half. I can also partition it like this. 2 equal parts. And then I can also partition it like this. 3 different ways to show 2 equal parts. When dividing a whole into equal parts, the big idea is that they're equal because a fraction is an equal part of a whole. Okay, so let's look back at our pizza. How many different ways can we divide this pizza equally among 6 friends? Well, let's first try to divide it like this. This is 1/6. This is a 6. This is a 6. And this is a 6. So this is 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. Okay? I can also partition it like this. The same pizza to 6 equal parts. Okay? So we have 6 equal parts. I can partition it like this. I have 6 equal parts here as well. And I can partition it one more way. Something like this. So I have 6 equal parts. And if you can see, here are my 4 different ways that I can partition or divide my pizza to share equally among 6 friends. So, in this lesson, you can see that there are different ways to partition or divide a whole into equal parts that represent a fraction.